Are you tired of hitting Zoho Mail's storage limits and missing out on pro features? Upgrade in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can upgrade without any confusion. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then, go ahead and click the Upgrade Now button to begin the process. Now, just wait a moment for the upgrade page to load. Once it's loaded, click on Buy Add-on and start entering your payment details to complete the upgrade. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.